There are some YouTube features that you are sleeping on.
Continue.
There are some YouTube features that you don't really know their power. You don't really know what they can do for your channel and what they can do for that your videos. Okay, I will not waste much time on this video, but let me tell you, if you have not started doing these things I'm about to mention now on your channel, maybe that's probably why you are not having a lot of engagement on your channel. You're not having a lot of views on your channel, and you're not attracting a lot of subscribers on your channel. Why do you think there is an icon for your title, for your description, for your tags, and every other thing? Because they have specifically what they are doing for you on that channel. I see some people, when I come into some people's description box, the description box is literally empty. Your description box is literally empty. How is YouTube going to know what your video is all about? How is YouTube going to understand what you are trying to relay? I've told you already that YouTube is like a search engine. People come to YouTube to get information, and the information you put on your videos are the same information that YouTube is going to give to them when they are searching for a particular topic, a particular keyword, a particular, when they're asking a particular question. And you come to your description box, you're not putting anything there. That is why you're stuck.
It's not you.
That's why you're not having views. Okay, in this video, don't get upset yet. All right, I'm just being furious because I don't understand. I'm going to excuse the fact that some of us are new here, but for those of us that are on YouTube for up to 2 years, 1 year, and you're still making the same mistake, am I going to call it a negligence or just being lazy? If you're being lazy and you're not doing these things, then it's fine. But if you want to, grow on YouTube and get these views and get these subscribers coming in, please don't neglect your description box. Your title is fine, yeah, but your description box is also as important as your title. All right, so when you want to draft a description for your video, please, first of all, the first thing you should put into your description icon is the topic of that video. The topic, or is the exact topic, no plus, no minus, is the first thing. Let me say you want to talk about how to go viral. You type how to go viral in 2025. That's an example, okay? And you come to your description box. Please, let that be the first thing you're going to put into your description box. How to go viral in 2025 before any other thing. And when you do that, what you're going to do next is use that topic and search for keywords, related keywords that has to do with that broad topic you are talking on. All right, when you use that, I talked about using rapid tags IO to get the most accurate tags for your video. You can use it again. This is what the website look like. You can use it again and generate tags for that video. You pick that tags one after the other and start putting it in. Don't spam it into your description box. Make a sentence with it. With this video, I am going to be teaching you how to, you choose the first one. Maybe it's how to go viral in 2025. Then maybe the next one is get 1,000 subscribers in 2025. You see, and also add, just keep adding it. I don't want to start talking plenty. You know what I'm talking. You can see the tags it gave to us. Use this tag, start putting it. You pick this one, you put it, you make it like a sentence. You pick the next one, you add it like a sentence. Just keep doing this until you exhaust all of the word tags. And if you remember anyone, you can still add, right? Okay, these tags, you can still put them in the tag icon. You can put them in the tag icon when you get to your YouTube studio, and when you're trying to upload this video, you can still fit it in there. Even after uploading your video, you can still go in and fit it in there. All right, so it's not a rigid thing, it's flexible. Whenever you feel like you want to put something, YouTube have made everything easy for us. Whatever you think is not working, you can even, as much as even change your thumbnails now. Change your thumbnail, change your title. If you see your video is not going well, the title is not really doing justice to that video, you can still change your title, change your thumbnail. It's not a rigid thing, it's flexible. YouTube have made everything easy for us. but we are not optimizing the goodness of YouTube and its SEO. That's why we are actually stuck in that level that we are at. So after putting in these tags and making them to be like a sentence on your description box, what next? This is the time to add what? Your other links. All right? Other links to your videos. Other links to your videos. You can go to someone else's description box and you click on more and you see what is going to show you. These are other links to the person's video. And what does this do? It's going to help you have more views if you are doing this. You can actually, if the person finished watching that particular video that he or she was initially interested on, if the person is giving value that he resonates with or she resonates with, she is understanding and she is, actually grasping, he or she will be forced to what? Click on your, description box and, you know, get click on the next video. Some people thumbs on your video and they don't even go to start hearing what you're saying. They just click on next and see the description. What that description does is giving them, a very brief and shortened description or explanation of what this video is really what about. Then another thing that we neglect on our description box is the timestamps. These timestamps is really underrated and I don't know why. I don't know why people are really underrating timestamps. You know those videos that you just, you be talking plenty, but with this timestamp, many people that don't have the urge to watch, that really have a low retention, span of watching a video, the person will do what? Just go to your title and click on more. When he clicks on more or she clicks on more, you see all this. You see all this, okay? When you see all this, each of them have their timestamp. If it's introduction, then if it's the first one is going to be talking about this so thing, this so thing, the person can just click this and say, okay, let me forget about the introduction. Let me see what the person is talking about. And with that first introduction with a hook that the person can't avoid, the person can't like feel like this hook is not giving me what I want. What the person is going to do is what? Click on the next one. Wow, is this what this video is all about? I think I really need to calm down and watch this video very well. That timestamps have actually given him or she an idea what he's going to lose if he doesn't watch that video from the beginning to the end. You can see the person watching that, the person can, watch that timestamps, watch all the timestamps, and then do what? Save that video to rewatch. You understand? To rewatch. Don't sleep on timestamps. Another one is your, closed caption. Your closed caption, your CC. We neglect it. Even I do neglect it sometimes. But why I don't really feel it is because I do not neglect my timestamps. Even if you neglect your CC, your closed caption, don't neglect your timestamps. So do one, or if possible, do the two of them. That is most preferably, put the two of them. All these things are things that YouTube have put in place to help our video have a lot of visibility and views. Okay, so that is going to be all for today. All I do here is bring amazing tips and tricks that really works, that worked for me and is still working for people, are working for my friends, people that are actually creating content like me. So if this thing is working, then it's working. Why won't I give it to my community to benefit from? What am I going to gain that I am getting views and my community is not getting views? It doesn't tell well. All right, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. We are all about helping each other to grow. That's pretty much it. On this channel we talk about everything growth, social media growth, YouTube growth, particularly Facebook, and everything to do with growth. So on our next video, I'll be giving you amazing tips and tricks for you to be liar. See you.